Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to report an issue with a Shpock transaction. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shpock.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shpock if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything of course on the website. In the top right corner, we have the inbox, we have the selling, buying, watch list, saved searches, reviews, saved locations, help center settings, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and report an issue with a Shpock transaction. So to report an issue with a Shpock transaction, follow these steps. Open the Shpock app and go to the chat with the seller. Tap on I have an issue at the bottom of the chat. This option will be available in the seller and share the photos postage with you. Select the issue you're experiencing, such as the item not being delivered, being damaged, having missing parts, or not being as described. Submit your report. Shpock will then investigate your case. If the deal has already been closed for more than 7 days, you can still report the issue through the app. If you can't see the I have an issue button, remind the seller to use the proof of postage button to continue with the deal. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.